Welcome to our Grooming Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular beard trimmers, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 and the SHPAVVER vacuum trimmer. We'll explore their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your grooming needs. Let's get started. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 stands out with its 23-piece kit, offering versatility for beard, body, and hair grooming. In contrast, the SHPAVVER focuses on beard trimming with its built-in vacuum system, making it ideal for those who prioritize cleanliness. While the Norelco provides a comprehensive grooming solution, the SHPAVVER excels in its specialized function. When it comes to pricing, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 is priced at $99.99, making it a budget-friendly choice for a versatile grooming kit. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER beard trimmer comes in at $169.99, which may be considered steep for a product focused primarily on beard trimming. This price difference reflects the Norelco's extensive capabilities compared to the SHPAVVER's specialized features. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 boasts Beard Sense technology, which adapts power based on hair density for a smooth cut. In contrast, the SHPAVVER features a built-in vacuum system that captures trimmed hair, ensuring a mess-free grooming experience. Both innovations cater to different user preferences, with Norelco focusing on versatility and SHPAVVER emphasizing cleanliness. In conclusion, choosing between the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 and the SHPAVVER beard trimmer ultimately depends on your grooming needs. If you value versatility and a comprehensive grooming kit, the Norelco is the way to go. However, if you prioritize a clean trimming experience and are willing to invest more, the SHPAVVER may be the perfect fit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.